How to confirm card received on American Express. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can confirm if you have received a card on American Express, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to confirm if you have received a card or not, open up your browser, go to americanexpress.com and you will see this type of interface. Now you can tap the login option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now if you scroll down under the login section, under here you'll find the third option that says confirm card received. So you can actually tap on confirm card received option if you have received the Amex card and then you would like to confirm it. Once you've done that, just make sure to enter your necessary card details or any other information, which is the 15-digit card number and then the 4-digit card ID. Tap on confirm and then you'll be able to confirm that you have received your American Express card. This way you can confirm if you have received your American Express card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.